This illustration deals with cleaning, repairing, and affixing items. This has been a big problem in the past where, say, a uniform was, say, a Category 2 uniform was sent out for repair where there was a tear, or maybe a new logo put on because of new management and so forth. And so what they wanted to point out that these logos are patches put on PPE equipment had to be ARC rated just like the equipment in accordance with this section of 70E 130.7C13D on page 32. So these logos, as you see here on the uniform, had to be ARC rated, and companies that were cleaning, repairing these uniforms, they just wasn't doing this. So they wanted to make this very clear in 70E, yes, this was required. So this purpose of change is just a revision to the informational notes 1 and 2 to 130.7C13D. And these notes were revised and accepted, and provides information pertaining to manufacturers' cleaning instructions for PPE. If they happen to allow you to take your uniforms home and clean them, then we're supposed to use a cleaner, detergent, and so forth recommended by the manufacturer. We wouldn't want to use something that wasn't recommended, because we might, by accident, reduce the insulating capability of the uniform, which wouldn't protect you if electrical arc was to occur. Now, notice that they also point out in the note that when necessary, or just you wanted to learn a little bit more pertaining to this subject, review the ASTM standards F1506, F2757, as well as F1 of 1449. Now you can go online and review these standards, sometimes free of charge just for review if you don't download. You just have to check with each individual association and so forth and see just exactly how those standards are allowed to be reviewed. But that's mainly what this illustration is pointing out, and what the revision and purpose of change is all about is going through the cleaning, repairing, and affixing items, and to make sure that everyone knows that logos, patches, repair type material has to be ARC rated, equivalent to the equipment or greater than.